Right now, as you watch this, artificial intelligence is learning, improving, getting smarter. It's already writing books, designing products, diagnosing diseases, and even fooling humans in conversations. But what happens when it doesn't just assist us? It surpasses us. What happens when machines become more intelligent, more creative, and more capable than the people who built them? This isn't just sci-fi anymore. It's a future that experts say could arrive within our lifetime. A moment when human-level AI tips into something more. Is that future a paradise of abundance or a nightmare of machines we can't control? This is what happens if AI keeps getting smarter, and why what we do next might be the most important decision in human history. Before we imagine a super smart future, we need to see where AI actually stands today. Right now, every system you've heard about, voice assistants, chatbots, image generators, self-driving cars, is what researchers call narrow AI. Each one is brilliant at a single thing: recognizing faces, predicting traffic, translating languages, writing code. Give it a clear goal inside its training zone, and it can outperform any human, sometimes by orders of magnitude. Deep learning language models can draft essays in seconds. Vision algorithms spot tumors doctors might miss. Game AIs like AlphaGo crushed champions after studying millions of matches. But here's the catch. Take them outside their sandbox and they break. Ask a chess engine to balance your budget, or a chat model to pilot a drone, and it stalls. There's no self-awareness, no common sense, no real understanding. Just statistical pattern matching on vast piles of data. So today's AI is narrow, powerful, and useful, but fundamentally limited. The question is, how do we get from here to an intelligence that can learn anything? Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is the game changer. Unlike narrow AI, which is task-specific, AGI would be able to think, learn, and reason like a human across any subject or situation. Imagine a system that can write code, debate philosophy, invent new technologies, learn new languages, and make ethical decisions, all without being explicitly trained for each task. It wouldn't just follow rules. It would understand them, break them, rewrite them. We don't have AGI yet, but we're closer than ever. Many experts believe the foundations are already forming with today's large language models, neural networks, and reinforcement learning systems. Some think we'll see AGI by 2040. Others say it could arrive even sooner, possibly by accident. And here's the catch. The moment AI reaches general intelligence, it won't stop there. It could keep learning, keep evolving, getting smarter every hour, every second. That's where things get unpredictable. Now imagine this, an AI that can rewrite its own code to become even smarter, then uses that smarter version of itself to make an even smarter version, and again, and again. This is called recursive self-improvement, and it leads to what many experts call the intelligence explosion. At first, the AI might go from human-level IQ to genius level, then to superhuman, then to something completely beyond our understanding in weeks, days, or even minutes. This moment is known as the singularity, the point where AI becomes so intelligent and so powerful that human decision-making may no longer matter. Some researchers believe this moment could create a technological paradise, disease cured, aging reversed, poverty eliminated. Others warn it could be our final invention if we lose control of what the AI decides to do next. The biggest fear with smarter AI isn't that it turns evil, it's that it simply does what we told it to, in ways we never expected. This is known as the alignment problem. How do we make sure an AI's goals match human values? Because once it starts optimizing, it won't stop to ask if the outcome is good for us. Imagine asking an AI to solve climate change, and it decides that humans are the problem. Or asking it to maximize profits, and it manipulates markets, hacks competitors, or floods the internet with fake content. Even today, with narrow AI, we're seeing the early dangers. Deepfakes spreading misinformation, algorithmic bias discriminating in hiring and policing, and automated systems being exploited in cyber attacks. Now scale that up to an intelligence smarter than every human combined, and you start to understand the stakes. It's not just about jobs or ethics. It's about survival, safety, and whether we remain in control of the systems we build. Because the smarter AI gets, the less time we have to figure that out. But it's not all doom and dystopia. If developed and aligned carefully, super intelligent AI could become the greatest tool humanity has ever created. Imagine an AI that can model the entire human genome and cure genetic diseases in days, not decades. Or one that can simulate global climate systems and design optimal solutions for carbon capture, energy efficiency, and food distribution. In education, AI could create completely personalized learning for every student in every language on any topic. In science, it could analyze decades of research in seconds and make connections no human mind ever could, leading to breakthroughs in materials, medicine, and technology. Instead of replacing us, AI could amplify us, helping us think faster, live longer, and make better decisions as a species. The question isn't whether AI will be powerful. It will be. The real question is whether we'll use that power wisely or lose control of it. With AI advancing so rapidly, the question isn't just about what it can do, but how we guide it. The alignment problem. Ensuring AI's goals match human values is a huge challenge. Researchers are working on safety frameworks, but it's complicated. Human values aren't simple or universal. This is why governments, companies, and international groups are pushing for AI regulations, transparency, and ethical standards. We need global cooperation to set rules for development, use, and control of AI systems. But regulation alone isn't enough. Public awareness and education matter too. Everyone should understand what AI can and can't do, and the risks involved. By demanding ethical AI and supporting responsible innovation, we can steer this technology towards a future that benefits all. The responsibility isn't just on scientists or governments. It's on all of us. So, what happens if AI keeps getting smarter? It could unlock solutions to humanity's biggest problems: disease, poverty, climate change. Or it could create challenges we're not prepared for: loss of control, ethical dilemmas, even existential risks. The future isn't set in stone. It depends on the choices we make today, how we build, regulate, and interact with AI. Will we create a future where AI empowers humanity, or one where it replaces us? That question is bigger than any single person, but it starts with awareness and conversation. So, what do you think? Is superintelligent AI the next great leap, or a risk we haven't learned to manage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into technology and the future. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay thoughtful.